In this question, we have to find the slope and the y-intercept of the line represented by this equation here. As soon as we see the words slope and y-intercept, we can think about the slope y-intercept form of a straight line, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's rearrange this equation, which is in standard form, and put it into y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so we'll bring it down here. 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. And what we have to do is isolate the y on one side by itself. So to do that, we'll start by, I'm going to add 2y to both sides to eliminate the 2y from the left side. And if I add 2y to the left side, I've got to do it to the right side. Here the two y's cancel out, and what we get is 3x plus 6 equals 2y. Then I'm going to try again to get a y all by itself, a 1y. So what we have to do is divide everything by 2. And when we do that, we get 3 over 2x plus 3 equals y. Here we can see that the 2's cancel. 2 goes in there once, goes into there 3 times. Now our equation has the y on the right side, whereas this equation has the y on the left side, but it doesn't matter. We can just simply rearrange this so that the y is on the other side. And it's the same thing as saying y equals 3 over 2x plus 3. You can think of it this way. Here's a positive 1y by itself on one side of the equation, and then a positive 3 over 2x and a positive 3 on the other side of the equation. Same thing here, positive 1y on one side of the equation, positive 3 over 2x, and 3 on the other side of the equation. So these are the exact same equations. So now that we have it in this form, which is the y equals mx plus b form, anything with the x would be the slope, and the constant would be the y-intercept. So here we can see that the slope is 3 over 2, and the y-intercept is 3. So when we look down our list of options here, we'll notice that A is the right answer.